Hey, what's up, my lovely viewers all over the world? Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fund your AAS. Okay, let me show you how you can fund your AAS. That simply means Afriq Arbitrage system. Okay, if you're new in the system and you don't know how to fund your wallet, this is the best video for you, because I'm starting from scratch, showing you everything how it goes. Okay, so let me show you how you can fund yours also. So the account I'm using is my newest account, created yesterday. Okay, that's the one that we are making use of. All right, so let me show you. Like, if you are new in the channel and you don't know what AAS is all about, you don't need to worry. All I want you to do is just to come to this video that says Unbelievable Arbitrage System. Okay, just once you click on that, you will understand what we are talking about. Okay, but without wasting much of our time, if you want to join this website, all you need to do is just to click on the link below. Okay, once you click on the link below, it will take you to the original website, because a lot of people have been creating fake websites just to scam others. Okay, so if you really want to make money with this strategy, all you need to do is just to use the original website link. Okay, it's in the description, so do just that. So without wasting much time, make sure you smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell, because we are here to make money together. So let's go. Once you click on the link below, okay, in the description, you will get yourself here. If you are a newcomer, all you need to do is just to click on get started here. Okay, but if you are already a user, all you need to do is just to click on login. Once you click on login, okay, it will load, and after loading you can log in. Okay, but in my own case, I have already logged in. As you can see, this is 000 because this is my new account. Okay, so what you are going to do is just to click on this three line. Once you click on the three line, you click on deposit. Okay, once you click on deposit, you select number, the first one. So once you click on the first one, you need to select the network. Okay, so let me select on, okay, Theta. So amount, I'm going to withdraw just $60 here. So you click on okay, so this is my unique link. Okay, this link is the link that I can use to send money to this wallet. So I click on this copy. Okay, always copy your link, or you can scan it. So what we are going to do right now, we are going to leave this page. Okay, don't close it, just minimize it and go to your Binance or any exchange, any place that you can fund, or you have USDT, you have any of your coin. Okay, so remember that the network is TRC20. That's for this platform. Okay, TRC20, and the amount I'm withdrawing is just, I'm transferring here is just 60 USDT, and the charges is 0.65. okay, and the total amount that I'll be withdrawing is just 60.39. that's the total amount. Okay, so let me show you how everything work. Okay, so I get to my Binance account. Once I'm in Binance account, please make sure keep smashing that subscription button, because what we are doing here is we teach you the real way to make money. Okay, this website is the only website that I trust so far, because of the money I'm making here, and I decide to show you so that you can learn also and start making money, because knowledge is power. Okay, that's why I'm showing you this. Okay, if you are new in the channel, all you need to do is just to click on P2P. Okay, if you click on P2P, you can fund your wallet, and once you fund your wallet, you can also use it to deposit money to your AAS platform. Okay, and the platform will also, the boots in the platform will trade for you. You can do more research on AAS to understand what AAS is all about, but make sure you use my unique link to register. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. What I do in this channel is that once I see something that is working, I'll come here and show you how I'm doing it, and I believe that if you do the same thing, you get exact results. That's what we do in this channel. Okay, so make sure you consult your financial advisor. But without wasting much time, let's go. Let me show you how it works. So you come to this wallet after funding your wallet, after funding your Binance wallet. Okay, you click on this wallet. So as you can see, what I have here is just 62.07 USDT. Okay, that's $62.07. Okay, so that's the amount we want to make use of. So once you are here, the next thing you are going to do is just to click on this spot. Okay, once you click on the spot, you going to click on withdraw. As can you see the withdraw? You click on withdraw. Okay, you leave it to load. Let's just leave it to load. So keep smashing that subscription button, keep smashing it, keep sharing. Okay, keep making money and keep living large. Let's wait for a network. You can see the where I have the fund, that's USDT. Okay, once you click on the USDT, the next thing you are going to do is just to click on this USDT and click on send via crypto network. Okay, that's what you are going to click. Then as you can see, this is where I can put down my unique link. I paste it here. Okay, always remember. Then network, you're going to choose that TRC20. Okay, always remember that. And this network will just charge you $1. Okay, so the amount, let me just select maximum. Okay, so sending wallet. Okay, spot wallet, where I can get, where I'm sending the money is from my spot wallet. Okay, so the next thing is to withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, please make sure you cross check this and know whether you made any mistake. Okay, the reason why I want to withdraw everything is because of the fee. Okay, because the fee from the AAS is 36, right, if I'm not mistaken. So I click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, it will load. Let's just wait for it to load. Okay, once you are here, as you can see, get email verification, get verification email and your phone number verification. That's what you get. Let me wait for it to arrive. So let me check my phone number to check whether it have dropped. So as you are waiting for it, let me go to my email. So let me copy the link. Let me copy the link and then go back to my that's 12 8900. Okay, I have withdrawn it. So what I'm going to do right now is to proceed to my, okay, this is it. So let me go back to my AAS for you to grab it. So as you are waiting patiently for it for the system to grab the money we deposit, okay, all I want you to do is just for you to smash that subscription button and make sure that you participate in this wonderful opportunity. Okay, if you watch other of my video, you will see where I show you about the owner of this website. The person is not hiding, okay, the person is not someone that will be telling you this and will be doing another thing. Since this website was launched, since that time till now, the website is making waves. Okay, a lot of people are cashing out. Okay, my other videos, I will show you my testimony in my other videos where I make thousands. Okay, so this is a legit platform for now. This is legit platform, and like I promised that I will drop my link. Okay, you will see the link for registration. You also see the link to join their official Telegram group. Okay, you will see the link to join my own Telegram group so that you can be getting information on how things goes. Okay, okay, still processing. Okay, completed. Thank God. As you can see, this is completed. So let's go back. Okay, the system is waiting for my payment. The system is waiting for my payment. Let me wait patiently. As you can see, please do not close this window until the payment is confirmed. Okay, so guys, as you can see, my package have arrived already. Okay, your payment of 60 USDT has been confirmed. So let's go, let me show you more. Okay, so that's that. This is it. Count down to auto invest. Okay, that's 1 minute 54 seconds. So the bot will pick my USDT and start trading for me. That's to show you that everything here is legit. As you can see, 60.46, because what I made is 60.85, okay, with the charges. So that's the reason why you are seeing 46 here. So please make sure you smash that subscription button and join my YouTube so that you get latest on how you can make more money on AAS. Hey, what's up guys? Like I said, let me wait until I make profit before I can share my testimony. Okay, for you to know that everything concerning AAS is legit. Okay, as you can see here, I just earned $2.99. Can you see that? That's to show you that this website is working. Okay, the only thing you need to do is just to put more money in this website and you will make more money. Very simple. Like I said that in my other dashboard, I will also show you how much I'm making with my other dashboard. That's to show you that this website is working perfectly. Okay, this AAS is not here to scam us. According to my research, I can tell you that this website is legit. Okay, so guys, start investing now so that you can make more money. Remember, the more you invest, the more money you make. I will top up more money to this investment to make more money. So thank you and remain blessed. Peace out.